Yo, what's your boy Rob? And you're listening to Radio Koza. Easy.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie 2C, and you are tuned into radiodr.co.za. I am actually so happy that we started off the show with that song, because CeeLo dared me to do that last week. What's up? You are tuned into My Day Mayhem with your girl Minnie 2C, and we just played you Umshoza with Abantu Bamlaba, CeeLo's favorite song.
That is not true.
No, that is your favorite song. Because last week you were like, have we played that song? I'm like, no. And you're like, we should start with it. There it is.
Sometimes I'm forced to start the show with a gun at my head.
By who has
I don't know.
that gun?
Who else is here?
Aibo. You must be talking to someone else, Cooks. Damn, boy. Damn, Daniel.
These gangster baby mamas.
What ifs? I hope everyone is doing quite well. We are going to start off our week with a bang. With, of course, Benny Tusi and Usilo Timba Ustayela, aka Uma. It is
We're not doing this. We're not doing this.
Wait, you called yourself a what? Para?
A sexy para nigga.
Sexy para nigga. I still can't believe you called yourself a para.
Shout out.
Still can't believe you told people that you didn't bought at some point.
Yeah, nobody did. I used to have a competition with my neighbor. See who wouldn't butt the longest. I'd always win. 4 days is my record.
Ew. That is disgusting. I'm so disappointed.
Shout out real niggas worldwide.
Oh wow. I really can't believe that you guys did that. But anyway, we're not gonna judge. Today we are speaking about friendships. Not really friendships, but what kind of a friend are you towards your friends? Are you like a good friend?
I'm a good friend.
Are you a clingy friend? Are you that friend that's distant? Or are you that person that wants everything to be about them? We want to know. And we are going to be discussing this later on the show. Throughout the whole show, we are going to have fun with this. You need to analyze yourself. Dig deeper.
Look in.
Yes, dig deeper. We old, therefore we should know ourselves. I'm about to preach. Amen. Clap, CeeLo. Yes. Let's take it to church.
Let's take it to the music.
Okay, on that note then, we are going to take it to the music, and I am going to play the Kings of the Weekend with Gege Uze Uitole. And then after that,
like
it is...
my claps.
Wow. Okay, looks like the clap. Free things, CeeLo. I can't deal with you. And then after that, we're going to play the double throwback music. Stay tuned.
Mfungu malu, mfungu mama, mfungu baba. Hayi mina ngisayithola. Hayi man ngisayithola. Segolila. Hayi lena kusegoli. Sifuna yonke into. Siphethe amashakula. Safuna. Hayi mina ngisayithola. Hayi ngisayithola. Yadlala wena. Yadlala lona malu. Shis. Hayi Gisaito, I eat the Gisaito. Come on now, Gisaito. I eat the Gisaito.
Ngeke uyithole budini kodwa isicefe. Wi kambile inhlobo zasegoli. Kambe kuthiwani abudi akibaki.
Ishanga khala bizu maluma bizu mamaki ngeke ayithole ngeke ayithole Ishanga khala bizu maluma bizu mamaki ngeke ayithole ngeke ayithole Ishanga khala bizu maluma bizu mamaki ngeke ayithole ngeke ayithole Ishanga khala bizu maluma bizu mamaki ngeke ayithole ngeke ayithole
Mthibhekike lona mthibhekana inkabi zonke siphelele lana and radio DR.co.za.
Kuba mathule kusama ngasekho ushilo ngathi ngami datang kusikho sincane isola awukakanani ahasale sasekupale shaya maketa ikumbuzo fire tag awukakanani ahasale sasekupale shaya maketa ikumbuzo fire tag abangasiyo bambisumsawaw akangohleka 1 hour abangasiyo bambisumsawaw akangohleka 1 hour after that zapihlika ziyawa abase ukuthi mina ngepower abhekana Yes, 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 yes.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie 2C, and you are tuned into radiodr.co.za.
And we are back. I really, 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 really like that song, DJ Smooth, Remember When It Rained. It reminds me of a New Year's Eve and my granny's Guamashu Gake is now Winnie Shoe. I'm that ghetto girl. Yes. Silo, we like neighbors, cause your granny's is also in K-Bash, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Both of my grannies.
shout out. So yeah, DJ Spoo, Remember When It Rained reminds me of a New Year's
That's
Eve.
cooking.
But I mean,
Sometimes. Hey, Shandis, cooking. There's a lot of young woman.
what do you mean? See, I've been telling you that I'm old, and you're like, you young. Nigger, I'm as old as I don't know what, but I mean, 1996, that's a long time ago. I mean,
The only reason I'll give you that it's a long time ago because it's more than 2 decades ago now. Otherwise,
yes.
You ain't shit.
Yeah. You're just jealous. And then before that, I played you Umsawawa with Oh Gaga Daddy. I said Daddy, I said to
You really
shall I
love the
give
double
that
playback band.
Yes. See, no, doesn't it bring back memories?
It does.
Exactly.
Shout out Sawawa's corner.
No, shout out to me. Like,
Oh,
who
what
picks
about
these songs?
So why Sawawa's corner?
No. So in front of Clement.
How it's not really Clement. It's like way back Clement.
I don't even know where it is. I just knew it was in Clement.
Yeah, Sawawa's corner. Financial Linyama corner.
Is that Kone Leon Dow?
Yes.
Highly doubt it.
Ready?
I haven't heard anyone speaking about it, so
Was when I was in Clement.
Whoa. I know a lot of people from Clement. My mom works there. I don't have friends. Do I have friends in Clement? No, I don't think.
Zilch.
Yeah, I don't think.
Exactly. You know nothing about Clement. I got friends in Clement.
Who's your friend from Clement?
Shout out Ayana Makukula. You
Oh, he's from Clement.
Yeah, he still lives there now. What do you mean?
Yeah, but in Clement, DJ, yo,
I'm a Shayangoma.
Clement DJ Saba. The only place I'm not scared of is K-Mash because obviously I used to
Stangawi.
visit there. But everyone has their reservations about some township because some people are scared of Umlazi. Oh, it's Clement
Basically-
and Ulamontville.
Basically, don't go into no hood if you've never been there before. You know nobody there. That's just like common sense.
No, but I feel like people exaggerate these things. But anyway, we're going out of topic. Today we are talking about what type of a friend are you. Cedo's about to tell us what type of friend he is.
I'm a great
and
friend.
I am going to ask your friends what type of friend you are.
I'm
So
a
do
great
not
friend.
lie.
I'm a great friend. I'll
What
tell
makes
you
you say
why.
this?
Because I don't have friends. People without friends are great friends. You get what I mean, right?
I understand it, but I mean, I don't understand it at the same time because you do have friends.
I mean, I have friends, but fuck them. Fuck all of them.
Ha, 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 ha. Hey, bo.
Sometimes you just
God
want to be alone.
forbid, oh.
But I'm a good friend, you know. I buy lunches and like drinks, you know. All
Okay.
time.
So now you're a good
Ass.
friend.
I don't buy
Stop.
ass. But yeah.
So you're a good friend.
Yeah, you're like I think you're a good friend. Even though you've never bought me anything.
Who, me?
All you do is eat my food. And my juice.
I mean, there's two of us, bro. So it only makes sense that you feed me.
Look at that. I
not
befriended
the other
you
way
and you bring
around.
other people into our friendship. You're a horrible friend.
But see, I feel like I've been friends with you for a long time. And I mean, I just got so used to you and T-Bag spoiling me. So therefore, I never saw the need of buying you guys anything.
See, that's the thing. We empowered this horrible.
See,
this
it's all
horrible
your fault.
dynamic.
You must blame yourselves
I
and
do
not
blame
me.
myself.
Exactly.
This is
So-
why you're not coming back after next week.
I am not going to say a word, but you know what I'm gonna say? I want to say I want to play you Dream Team with Show Me Day, yeah.
Those are three friends. They have a great relationship.
Even though they broke up musically,
Musically, but they're
Yes.
still friends.
that's a good thing. That's a very
See,
rare.
that's good friends, unlike you, Minnie.
Well, they're guys. They're all guys. There's no girl in that friendship, so please,
So you admit that girls do break up friendships.
I flew my mama to
no.
I flew my mama to Paris.
She used to stay on the street. I bought myself a new chain. It cost like 40 a piece. I haven't been home in a while, so I spent a crib on my teeth. Got money trees in a bag. I'm just gon' sow what I reap. Nothing is real, and none of these niggas is realer than me. Niggas just called me, told me, fuck all these niggas, just be who you destined to be. I got a city on 1,000 degrees. Elevate, this it got speed. This is that level these rapper can't reach. This is that practice shit what you preach. Tell me some shit that I don't know. Bitch, I like just like a photo. Came in the game with my old bros. Now that I'm on, we all alone. I know that God got my back. I talk to God all the time. I ain't got no plan B. I put this all on the line. Look at the traction. Look at what happened. Heard that these niggas don't sell any tickets, so how they went platinum. Yeah, I am the good on the low. I keep the guns on the floor. I used to sleep all on the floor. Now I hit a round of applause. So I flew myself out of Paris. Now I be running the street. I sent some bread to these niggas. Now they been acting like leeches. Niggas be bugging for features, but I like way out of reach. You don't hear a round of applause. My niggas just take you a seat.
Me and these rappers ain't really friends. I don't be taking they calls. I make him talk to the middleman. He won't pass me the message at all. You know I got love for my real fans, but I'm cursing them off on my yard. I can't be signing no autograph. I got too much cushion in my garage. I don't want no attention from my neighbors. I don't wanna make friends with a cop. You get your nose wiped in a second. You call out my fucking name in the dark. Watching my pinky ring against the rock. Bitch, you can't hold my hand, hold the cop. Kicking it at the top, getting top. Me and the gang party on the tarts. I am a pussy man. You are a pussy nigga. I told her I'm not a fisherman. I say that cause the pussy's thinking. Made an M with my vocab. I got rich with my dictionary. Put them diamonds on 12 teeth. I require a different fairy. I despise a snitch nigga. I'ma tell time to kill Jerry. Pouring up for the dead homies. Do a show at the cemetery. Let him diss me, I'll never hear it. He a bitch, he ain't never scared. Call him out for the commentary. Fuck his mom if it's necessary. Do him dirty, no sanitary. Tall
I flew my mom out of Paris. She used to stay on the street. I bought myself a new chain. It cost like 40 a piece. I haven't been home in a while, so I spent a crib on my teeth. Got money trees in a bag. I'm just gon' sow what I reap. Sit the fuck down, nigga. You don't hear the round of applause. My niggas just take you a seat. I heard that new shit in this week. These niggas sound just like my niece. Yeah, these niggas sound just like my niece. Yeah. Look, fuck your feelings, this is how I'm feeling. World winning niggas didn't see the vision. They pretending now it's too late. Signal sent around the globe, it's a tide. I watched these niggas switch sides, and then I watched them switch deals. They couldn't do it by themselves. Asking me how I feel.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie 2C, and you are tuned into radiodr.co.za.
How about we shun the size, shun this? We got Trinity and Natty.
Show me day, yeah, yeah. Girl, show me day, yeah, yeah. Show me day, yeah, yeah. Girl, show me day, yeah, yeah. Go, hola, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo.
By a stand and Dwana mixing. Team might be hove the way we rock nations. These bitches know they all on rotation. Yeah, homie, sip slow and start hating. Cause the bottles on the table is a mess. You saying that's your girl, but when she taking off her dress, it's another situation that might leave you unimpressed. Hey, she wanna hide it, no stress. Well, yes, I got a thing for Yawa. A friend say she's bad for songs of Bamba. Cause I'm only in time for the week. You know I'm trying to hit it till you weak. So baby, let me see.
Show me day, yeah, yeah. Girl, show me day, yeah, yeah. Show me day, yeah, yeah. Girl, show me day, yeah, yeah. Go, hola, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo.
Say it goes, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Got dash in the back, screaming boya, boya. Bunch of haters in the club, aya, lawyer, lawyer. Get your ass on the floor, yeah, get Louis Porter. Show your girl loving the sound that we make. We brought it back to the city so y'all can relate. We already checked in, Lengwana Zileti. Y'all busy on your beef shit, Zizala Itegi. Show, I'm on stage, Jumba Mama Process. Cockpit, pressing buttons, yeah, girl, I'm your pilot. Got you on vibrate, don't fuck with your silent. You want me to migrate? Show me, show me.
Show me day, yeah, yeah. Girl, show me day, yeah, yeah. Show me day, yeah, yeah. Girl, show me day, yeah, yeah. Go, hola, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo.
Spirit, I sugar. Show
Charlie uyashisa lo mntwana uyababa njengogari wamandiya. She's got style plus uphume look shit. Vele khali crowd manyathela njenge slow boys in my visitanga uphenduka slim. Owazi if she's on a diet noma she's a freak from Halloween. I got be dad ukudlala ngami when you push is fun. When you twerk mina spend man. Go bananas on the beat, that's why these girls are naughty. But in bottles every night like it's Dimple's party. Boy yeah. Show me that, yeah, yeah. Girl, show me that, yeah, yeah. Hold it. Show me that, yeah, yeah. Girl, show me that, yeah, yeah. Go, hola, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yeah, oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Hey, bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. So that's it. Ha. I want to see the new show.
Dala Tuxin.
Yay! I'm so happy because Utumzili released a song, and that was his song, Clap Clap. The song goes in hard in the club. So
you were still grooving when Tuxin started DJing commercially.
Yes.
You were still like, oh my god! You're still out there crashing cars.
Crashing cars?
Yes, way before, you're rolling around with a bump.
Oh, wow. I can't deal. Why are you coming for me?
I'm not coming for you. It's just like, this is the reality we're faced with. I'm a great friend.
I can't deal with you. But anyway, I'm a fan of Tuxin. I've always been a fan of Tuxin. I feel like he's a great DJ. But I did get disappointed when he started playing hip-hop music because...
What do you mean?
I mean, he's good. He's good.
He's diversifying.
Yes, but I like house Tuxin more than hip-hop
By the old Tuxin.
Huh?
By the old Tuxin.
Buy him.
Yeah.
Buy him how?
It's a lie. Oh, how?
See, you know I'm slow, so...
I'm moving on.
I'm also moving on.
Don't
worry.
Me as a producer right now. Me and all my pop culture knowledge.
Oh well, what ifs. Anyway, we headed over to our triple threat, and our triple threat today is a lady by the name of Ulumko Fabulous. She's the female version of Breeze.
The trendsetter.
The trendsetter, yes. I mean, if you are from Durban and you're a hip hop head and you remember the Crump days, then you'll know who Breeze
You're
is.
a hip hop head.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I don't know. I just like music.
I think you're a radio head.
I am a radio head, actually.
Carry on.
Thank you.
The rubbish I have to deal with in this studio.
So yeah, apparently, because we just played E-Song Get Dream Team, apparently, I'm gonna come with the T. Apparently, Breeze was supposed to be part of E-Dream Team.
I know nothing about this.
Oh wait, I don't. Yeah, right. Anyway, but our triple threat is about Ulumko Fabulous. So Ulumko Fabulous is a Durban-based artist. She's amazing. She's a triple threat. Triple threat, not just because we're playing her triple threat music, but because she's a singer or a rapper. She's a dancer. And she's an actress. I actually watched one of her movies. Yes.
Yeah,
and I was like, I know the girl.
I was walking past the TV. I was like, "Hey, boo,
yeah, I was also shook. I was like super shook, and she's really, really doing well. So I can't wait for her to get back into the music because she's laid low for some time, but apparently she's on the comeback. Her last song was Iskim Sami, and that is the first song we're going to play you in the triple threat. So yeah, man, I just hope you're gonna enjoy the song because wow. And then afterwards, reserve your comments. And then afterwards, when you come back, we could share the comments.
Yeah, and she's got a show coming to Radio DR.
Oh yes, how can I forget?
How could you forget?
Like, how can I forget?
That's why
I was probably gonna mention it afterwards. But yeah, she is going to have a show right here on www.radiodr.co.za called The Boom Boom Room.
She's gonna be talking about music business and all of that nice stuff for you artists.
Yeah, I cannot wait to actually listen to the show. Where does it starting?
Starts today.
Really?
Yes, it's out now. You can check it out on radiodr.co.za/boom boom room.
Yeah, I look forward. I want to hear because I mean I can also relate to artists. I'm an artist myself, man. Just that I'm a radio personality and not a rapper. But soon, don't worry, I'll be like Boity. I'll be jumping on tracks soon. Y'all gonna see. I want to make waves out here. But anyway, it's not about me. We're going straight to the triple threat. But yeah, look fabulous with Scheme Sabi, Siamagena, Nosledu Makepula.
My girl was mad. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I should get a phone call from a scam summons for no was what says you were looking up flash. I'm trying to go relax as cook summons as a suppers. I'm a nipple one side. Police get let us beg a woman and dinner must begin down when it call us 17 must put beggars plumbers or senses captain you just wanna learn now we put seven love. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I should branch up since I get checked. We're trying our best to get a vibe. Say go on nigga kunga to say club and isn't come to the fun just to let buffy. Which I'm missing a cigar cook. Now look what you so does it do so scissor go slash no bag cause I'm cool. That's my champagne and go balanang of blue. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. Had to tap out from the whole scene, done with partying like an OG. Had to snake out from the back though, cause it's lit up in the bando. Changa, chika chaya, aya, avimawani. Just glad that I had a good time. Hasika na mafwani. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. I got my girl with me. It's Scam Sammy. I got my diva ride or die #1 puts in Benjamin. Building. Omega ngana warning sa fellas kengene mana fellas lalon suppose. So run along humble but chaluban and gossip. We about to take off. Me I'm getting out of here. Closing on the streets I guess it's safe to say we out of here. Girly with a smooth face. I'm fabulous in 2 ways. Pads phone and sleep these people coming here with duvets. Crowd blasting his asses. I'm back smacking these bastards. Check my clientele and tell me who the best of the bastards. Backpacking the statues with cats back in the mattress. Blaze it hard as hell, I send these boys back to the practice. Zulu bass queen, if it and oozing, it's amusing. But the same cast still bumping our music. Siyabangela, skibele bitsi kuze kushone la. Singene ngechips, imele rock and then we hit the quad. Siyabangela, skibele bitsi kuze kushone la. Singene ngechips, imele rock and then we hit the quad. Siyabangela, skibele bitsi kuze kushone la. Singene ngechips, imele rock and then we hit the quad. Siyabangela, skibele bitsi kuze kushone la. Singene ngechips, imele rock and then we hit the quad.
Zulu bass king. Hulu came through with a couple hundred stacks. Pistol whip in the back, shaking all that. I'm guys pushing forward, but I'll never lose my focus. I never take a break, they putting me on every list. Ngoba I'm pushing spine, I'm grinding like a journalist. Bayapala ngamba khala ngami uthuba. I've been around, wana manu leti mali la. Nazingari za kiki, Zulu bases of pillies. It's true fun, I've been popping, now I'm killing it, she's of shoobies. Well, I'm going with the flow, kati parunga kuilis. Ngoba raise the bar, ngati pili. Drop top, no ceiling. Let me slow it down a bit, I'm spitting like I'm Flash. I'm a trendsetter, I don't need a hash. Tell these other rappers, man, but in this one is land. Swag with the gabba, cause I'm from the motherland.
Siyabangela, skibele bitsi kuze kushone la. Singene ngechips, imele rock and then we hit the quad. Siyabangela, skibele bitsi kuze kushone la. Singene ngechips, imele rock and then we hit the quad. Siyabangela, skibele bitsi kuze kushone la. Singene ngechips, imele rock and then we hit the quad. Siyabangela, skibele bitsi kuze kushone la. Singene ngechips, imele rock and then we hit the quad.
Right about now, this is that's Keith Brew.
Only on radiodr.co.za.
I'm getting young tall. I'm getting young tall. I hit runs of curvaceous. I'm getting young tall. I'm getting young tall. I hit runs of curvaceous. I'm getting young tall. I'm getting young tall. I hit runs of curvaceous. I'm getting young tall. It's standing my gift when I'm so fun. It's a class. Conversation lazy with the girl. I'm a gilangal puma. The ocean and damba. My MJ the papa. Mangi is pala pala. It's standing so fresh. You will follow my lips on my hips. I go pelang sabala. Loputu so kalu. Messing on so dalo. Mang figure down when you wash your black halan. So sapazala. I'm sang on so dada. Stand to my gift pull up. 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 Hips on to the fishes. I'm getting young tall. Stand to my gift pull up. So fun is a car. I'm getting young tall. I'm getting young tall. I hit runs of curvaceous. I'm getting young tall. I'm getting young tall. I hit runs of curvaceous. I'm getting young tall. I'm getting young tall. I hit runs of curvaceous. I'm getting young tall. Stand to my gift pull up. So fun is a car.
So CeeLo asked me what type of a friend I am, and I'm so excited to share. Okay, this is the type of friend that I am. Are you ready?
She just put her phone down.
Are you ready?
She's fixing her dress.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready? Okay, let's get it. Ha! Minnie. Listen, I'm a good friend, okay?
But
I feel like I'm a good friend. There's no but to it. I don't know. I'm not a clingy friend. No, I'm a friend that's like nosy.
Are you a jealous friend?
I'm not a jealous friend. I can be jealous, but I choose not to be. Like, it depends on the friend or the friendship, rather. Like, I don't know. I just
sometimes you feel okay feeling like somebody should be with you than other people.
Yes, I'm that type of friend. I need your attention. Like, I'm also.
Just said you're not clingy, remember?
I'm not clingy, yes. but I need your attention. Like I want you to check up on me and be like, oh, how are you doing? Because I do the same thing. And if I see that you're not doing that, then I'm not gonna do the same thing. I'm not gonna be the one to check up on you like all the damn time.
Well, not all the time. When you think about me, call me.
Exactly. That's the type of friendship I want. Like I want you to be independent emotionally. Like you mustn't depend on me emotionally. Like check up on me once in a blue moon. Some friends are crazy out here. They're like, why don't you text me on a daily basis? Like I'm not gonna talk to you on a daily basis because I don't have anything to say to you. Because I feel like you have all those type of friendships where you talk on a daily basis. Most of the time, they are built on gossip. Like you start talking about people with, oh, look at what someone's doing, whatnot. I don't like that. You know, so I feel like those type of friendships, no thank you, I'm good. And people need to understand, Uguti, as we grow, friendships change. You can't expect me to be the same friend that I was when I was in high school or when we were in varsity. We're growing old, we're becoming very busy. See ya, guys. Therefore, we need to be paying attention to our boyfriends.
No, we don't.
And our partners.
This is why you guys come back and irritate us as girlfriends. Now, why are you leaving your friends?
You're not leaving your friends, but I mean...
guys. Just because you're Jonah doesn't mean I have to stop seeing my friends.
Yes, you don't have to
then
stop.
Then you're going to become my stress as the man now. Because now, guys.
No, bruh. But
Damn
the thing is, most of the time, girls complain, you don't even see us anymore. You always with your boyfriend. And you know?
Yes, that means you're a horrible friend. You need to make time for your friends and your boyfriend.
Nigga, you wildin'.
You do.
Yes, you need to have time for your friends and your boyfriend.
Otherwise, the best stuff is a boyfriend.
Mina ngiso na stuff is a boyfriend and we are sad stuff is some shame.
Settle this away, Baba.
I am my boyfriend's Stiffy. I'm that girl. But I do try and make time for my friends. But it's just that sometimes another thing is that you guys tend to not be interested in the same things anymore. Therefore, if you're going to invite me and you're going to a place that I don't really want to be at, therefore I have the right to say no. If you want to meet for lunch or something, then yes, we can do that. But groove.
Sometimes that means you buying lunch until your friends get on their feet.
I don't mind doing that. I really don't mind doing that.
Then you are a good friend. You do buy lunch like me.
Yes, I buy some of my friends. I choose which friends.
She among us at this temple at one time.
Oh, you remember now. Now you remember.
Sure.
I even forgot about that myself. Tell it just dish. Hey guys, I look at Muzu to me and then you can keep it. That's the only one.
It's the one that doesn't even have a lid.
But yeah, no, that's in a nutshell. That's me as a friend. And no new friends. No. I don't need
You want to
those.
stay in the same points in your life.
I really don't need new friends, actually.
That's when you're rich. If you're not rich, you need to make new friends to get rich.
You need to make new friends to get rich.
Yes. You think your friends are CEOs? No, they're not. You need a job. Your friend ain't gonna give you no
If
job.
that's the case, I'd rather be friends with my siblings. Thank you very much.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Anyway, we are going to carry on with the show that Chad that baby had.
Good
water camps sabaziqiniso neskelem imbokodo zomthandazi ikhokhokazi odok bephinifa abavuka bawashe bapheke baklinde bageza abantwana before bemsebenzini ode to the fat black Nubian queens of Africa's ghettos ingulube zomjondolo eziphila ama-shift nakamadala ejudeni gunmen akunakheve egqoka ikhavela ihleva zigqoka iphinifa netshali zithwela abazukulu emqolo zine-stress secross aziphatha amaklami ihleva ziphatha amadamu namawipa namanepkini azinkawuzi azibishayi ishoshovi zomjondolo zimayizise ngesniff nekhankili azidli ukotini awudliwe emjondojondo ukotini uthunga ibhrukwe likasikhokho ukuthi angahlekwe eklasini ahlekwe nasesikoleni unkulunkulu wezulu elimdaka gcina le ihleva zama-heavyweight ngamaduku namabheret ezigcwala amafransito amasiyaya ziyemakhishini ziyolimpia mampela ziyolimpia sishebo nekhandlela mamela
Talking to myself, cause I'm shining fat nyajela. Clubby Fabian is fab and plus one with the band. Never had the money, make you phone on his way tank. Sasanga sen quante, my look on his way fan. Talking to myself, cause I'm shining fat nyajela. Clubby Fabian is fab and plus one with the band. Never had the money, make you phone on his way tank. Sasanga sen quante, my look on his way fan. Chelam shy cheat, Baslam shy cheat. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's what sweet boy cake. Yabangena. Yeah, ngirepenga janqena Tuzobona sithatha stem Thanda ukugqoka kahle Khabacathe ngishaya ikhadi Nika ngibuye kahle Lona usibeka kusilibhadi Muli yachiza ngiphethe ikadi Sonke ugcwele inqola ngipusha imfasha Chain ishaya dance njengo-Asha Uma ngihamba ebusuku ngasemtiba ngimele ngiqashe Mobile izomasha I'm in love with the money boy kwetasha Pume dubano can tell by the way that I talk Pume look shit can tell by the way that I walk I show my neck, I show my wrist, think it's up Baby go down, show na pants, think it's scope SOG, bitch I'm fresh out from the circle Not bad for intwana njonji choko Manje ngene stolo ngifike ngifenda matromolo kakhulu Ngiphuma upenda uconsa njengesithulo Talking to myself, cause I'm shining fat nyajela. Clubby Fabian is fab and plus one with the band. Never had the money, make you phone on his way tank. Sasanga sen quante, my look on his way fan. Talking to myself, cause I'm shining fat nyajela. Clubby Fabian is fab and plus one with the band. Never had the money, make you phone on his way tank. Sasanga sen quante, my look on his way fan. Chelam shy cheat, Baslam shy cheat. 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 Chelam shy cheat, Baslam shy cheat.
You are now tuned into radiodr.co.za.
My African odyssey, I know it's hard to see when you just blinded by love. Yeah. You plead for the best, got no S on my chest. I ain't coming for a girl just to save you. You all on my nuts, but you share by the public. You probably think I'ma cash you. I ain't with it, I'll stretch by the avenue. You got it, yes, dude, I'm that kind of dude. What you simmer down? Baby girl, stop it, just simmer down. Don't you tell my dating Chris Snakes. I'ma probably go ham and just renegade. But now, girl, it's too clear to say you wasn't showing any clarity. But I ain't messing with no basic beat, so basically you based it all on jealousy. That's just a felony, no.
Why are you and me and I'm with you? I said, why you gotta talk about you and me when we're just fucking? Girl said, why are you always on my mind? You just styling like all the time. You chose me. You love me. You trust me.
Yeah. Ain't right as you clinky. Naked truth, you just tell when you're with me. Ooh. Check up on me for the revenue. But girl, you precious than a ruby. Flex. I know you empty without all your diamonds and pearls. I'm just glad that your last name ain't Tosi. I can't conform to your needs, and the air that you breathe is exuberant. But came for that booty, all I wanted was a quick smash one time. Celebrate, then I pump the gas so nice. I don't know which you, but it feels so right. Girl, you in the hot seat, put that ass on ice. Shorty so good, need a goodie bag. Don't get too clingy, ain't coming back. Love is so damn overrated. I be feeling too damn complacent, yeah.
Why are you and me and I'm with you? I said, why you gotta talk about you and me when we're just fucking? Girl said, why are you always on my mind? You just styling like all the time. You chose me. You love me. You trust me.
When you all alone, girl, you know I'll make it in a second. See, I'm finna set a record. 100 rounds make 11. I take her out to dinner, we can wait. Know that we be fucking in the restroom. She be screaming, June, June, June. She like a flower that's about to bloom. You been on my mind for so long, I can seem to think of anything. Visualize you with your clothes off. God damn it, I can manifest. You the fucking best, I just hope you know it's only you, it's not a contest. We can hide in my room, switch our phones on so they can find us, oh yeah.
Why are you and me and I'm with you? I said, why you gotta talk about you and me when we're just fucking? Girl said, why are you always on my mind? You just styling like all the time. You chose me. Me.
Go. Thank you. Anyway, we are back and we are going to tell you what's happening in Durban, the cool things happening around Durban. And right now, I don't think Durban has cool things happening.
Because Durban is loading for December.
I know.
To come back later. We're still working. Watch the space.
Under construction.
Yeah.
For December. And it's good because we need to save. Well, I don't need to save. I won't be home the whole time.
Shame.
Not shame.
You're gonna be
I'm going to buy a
busy.
pool. I'm going to buy a pool. The one you pump and then you put water. And then I'm going to swim there and have like a glass of juice on the side.
A glass of juice. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bernini season. Bernini season's back.
I really don't like Bernini.
You need Belgravia.
Belgravia.
Belgravia season.
Yeah, I know.
Bubbly Belgravia
Flying
days.
fish season, but I can't have all that because
Christmas. Rose nuts.
What? I can't wait for Christmas. You know, like in December, Christmas has to be one of my favorite days because you just eat.
Do you
eat.
cook?
No.
I cook on Christmas.
Oh, how come you've never cooked for me though?
Yeah, I'm joking. I don't cook for Christmas.
Yeah, right. You do cook.
I don't. I've only cooked the turkey like twice. It's 2 years in a row, and that was the last time I cooked.
That's the only thing you cook, turkey.
Yeah, but I can see. Christmas cooking, if you have a normal family, it's like a modular thing. It's like you go like aunts or cousins, and then we come and we buffet all of that. And some families just go out, because they don't want to do all that.
But it's interesting because my family, no one brings anything.
What? See, like I said, normal families.
Well, I think my family is normal, but they don't bring anything. Like whoever's hosting, you're buying everything.
Really? You guys are evil.
That's what they do, though.
Jeez, I know. There's this cake my aunt makes, and because everybody hates fruitcake, it's all mine.
Everybody hates fruitcake.
Everybody hates fruitcake.
Okay, fruitcake, yeah, is not nice. I think you.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Hey, but fruitcake is not nice.
It's the best thing in the world. It's like right there next to salt and vinegar chips.
Like in my head, I was thinking of carrot cake.
Carrot cake, it's cool, but I mean, I'd do a carrot cake.
You're the first person to like fruitcake that I know. You're old.
I'm a fruitcake.
No, you are a fruitcake. You are.
See, I'm so cool. I'm so cool with the times.
No. Let's just agree to disagree.
Fruitcake is amazing.
I don't like. You know, the last time I had fruitcake, I think was at my mom's wedding, which was in 2003. Because damn, no one eats fruitcake. And back in the days, it used to be a thing to have fruitcake because apparently it lasts for a very long time. You can have it over like years. I'm not sure about that though.
Yeah, and they don't even use fruitcake in weddings no more.
Yeah, they don't. You
I used to love that. My mom used to come back with the little pairs of fruitcake and be like, "Give me that fruitcake." You know, you slice off the icing and you eat the fruitcake because that white icing was disgusting.
Yeah, it's not nice. I just feel like old cakes are not nice. We in the new cakes now.
Oh no, red velvet.
I'm not a fan of red velvet. I'm a fan of chocolate cake.
Have you tried chocolate cake and red wine?
No.
It goes the fuck in. I promise.
What, dry?
Dry red wine. Oh my! Because the sweetness you get from your chocolate,
yeah,
and then the flavor you get from the red wine.
Red wine, it's dry. It's dry. I don't like red wine.
I think I'm gonna have a high tea with red wine and cakes.
You wanna host a high tea?
Yeah.
That would be great. Please, can I be invited?
No, you're not.
Why not? I'm not laughing.
I've always wanted to say that.
I can't deal with it. I can't. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. We have reached the end of our show. It's becoming like a very short show now. I don't understand why. Like, is it because we're used to it?
It's because you're talking less. You should talk a whole lot of shit and I reined you in.
Really?
Yeah.
I never used to speak shit. Come on now.
You didn't notice. It was an incremental process.
Well, but anyway, you better enjoy these last few shows because the girl is gonna be going. So never. I'm here to stay.
One more show.
I want to come back in January.
Oh no! We need a Christmas show. We'll come see you though.
Christmas show. Oh my gosh, that would be so amazing. That would be really dope. I wouldn't mind doing that.
With the baby crying in the background.
Yes, definitely.
Oh, no. We'll speak to the silent producer and see if he can't drive us to your house. Silent producer? He is. Pinetown.
People always complain, Pinetown is so far. What do you mean? Pinetown is like 20 minutes drive from here.
We'll save petrol and come.
You should do. He's like, Udula toll gate. Stop it.
Silent producer says we're going to visit you.
Yes, you guys should pull through and I'll host you guys and show you the baby. And we're going to have fun. But anyway, I am sad that I only have one show left. So next week we are going to be having a great show. But we always have great shows.
The pre-baby show. I think the whole show is going to be about babies, right? It has to be about babies.
Hell no.
Come on.
Who wants to hear
about the pre-baby
babies?
show.
No, thank you. That's boring. That is boring. I can't. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. From me, Benny Tusi. It has been real and we will see you next week.
Shoshonganes. We on? So on? Alright. Young again. Sure. We're riding through the hood, Namachita. Feeling all good, Namachita. Been a long journey, Pandu Bono Majasil, Busha Bet, Namachita. Spending the Zorex, Namachita. School Kusalengane, Namachita.
Gobi life ain't never been a guarantee, so that would turn up is a new motto. Sure, spilling at the city lotto. Living life I can't afford though. All this honeys and the champagne ain't nothing to be proud of. Mama cooking up a combo. Brother pulling out the Volvo. Pops telling me life in general, gonna there's something for your macho. So yeah, cool swang on spite too. Taught to never snitch on them niggas that got you. Never lay a hand on women that say they love you. Paga musica sintona, them niggas made you. G-H-E-T-T-O. Thank you for all the L-O-V-E. I'ma work hard. No my ganja niggas, his dreams not far from my ghetto. Coolly swung on spite too. Not a papa with no place to run to. And it's tattoo between the cheese and the pen. That's what it came to. Police song was spite too. No la papa with no place to run to. And it's tattoo between the cheese and the pen. It's what it came to.
Yeah, way, Kalangan. Mawufuna amathekeni sithalavana. Mawushoda ngenhlonipho ukhala phansi. Omunye kumele akhethe ukuthi ibase noma umatras magazi. Yakuncinza uzogcwala la. Saza amabhixi xa saceba ngothanamba. Twista namajita kuduma izulu khaloma. Ngasitshela ngale mthetho singayazi yabhaloba lale. Yashisa insimbi nganesi. Ezakho ikelezile ezami iphila ngenqanesi. Asaphelele ma-outi. I mean it's not the Olympics. Umchito salile round in another week. Another man, another dream is Slabatin. He off like a blame me nang tuleng sangati. Cause I represent hope. And when they see me on TV, they head out to the streets and boast at most. They believe I could save their sons. Cause I'm from right there where they from. Actually where I'm at. As I write this verse, I have to embrace it, homie. I mean it's the gift and the curse, success. Iyona mpilo esiphilayo. Umuntu ngabantu lajikivile eligijimani. So noma ngisesilungwini, makufona umakhelwane ekhala ekasi kuyafana nokuthi uma ukhulumile. Come on.
Police song on spite too. No la papa with no place to run to. And it's tattoo between the cheese and the pen. That's what it came to. Police song was spite too. No la papa with no place to run to. And it's tattoo between the cheese and the pen. That's what it came to. Police song was spite too. No la papa with no place to run to. And it's tattoo between the cheese and the pen. That's what it came to. Police song was spite too. No la papa with no place to run to. And it's tattoo between the cheese and the pen. That's what it came to.
Ekuzakhumbula sadlala spinning esitambokweni. Sidlala uqithi namagenge, sidlala izindlu. Yes. We made the most of what we had, man. And it was amazing. You see, ilo wish likufundisa ukuthi umuntu ngabantu. Libonisa izinto engatholakali nomuntu. Ngihamba umhlaba wonke ayikho indawo efana neKaslaw. That's because of the people that surround you. Your extended family. Never forget that. Ngakhohlwa ntwana yami.
I'm so ghetto. Police song on spite too. No la papa with no place to run to. And it's tattoo between the cheese and the pen. That's what it came to. Police song on spite too. No la papa with no place to run to. And it's tattoo between the cheese and the pen. That's what it came to.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Minnie 2C, and you are tuned into radiodr.co.za.
Okay, sure. radiodr.co.za.